Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Quinn here and I'm back with another video. I know it has been a while, but I've been extremely busy. I've had a lot of things going on, but I tried my best to get out a video for you for this week. But today is a video that has been requested by a lot of persons, whether through comments or by word of mouth or by email. How do I turn my audio files into videos? Well, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually do it today. Also, before we begin, please be sure to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and turn on that notification bell to be alerted each time I post a new video. And as always, if you guys have any queries, you can leave it down in the comments below or my email will be left down in the description. Also note that the instrumentals for this video have been provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Disclaimer, please excuse the construction noise in the background.
So there are only 3 things that you would need for this video. First, you would need an audio file. Second thing you would need is a picture to put on your audio file to turn it into a video. The third thing you would need is Windows 10 because I'll be using the Windows 10 video editor. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually find where you have your picture saved. In my case, I'm going to use my logo. So I'm going to navigate to where I have my logo saved.
Test logo.jpg row 1 column 2 of 2.
Alright, so I have located my logo that I want to use for the picture that would be on the audio file, which will turn it into a video. Now, once you are selected on the image that you want to use, press your applications key or Shift plus F10 for those who don't have one.
Context menu.
Then down arrow to create a new video.
Open O. Create a new video.
Then press enter.
YT window. Photos. Photos window. Creating video from selected items.
Then wait a little bit until it asks you for the name of the video.
Name your video dialog. Video name edit selected new video.
Alright, so let's call this video testing 1 2 3.
TESTING 1 2 3.
Then you'll press your tab.
OK button.
And click enter on OK.
Editing new video.
It actually uses the video editor within the Photos app to create videos, right? So we are now in that app and our image is in it. So the main key that you use to navigate to the different controls within this window right here is your tab key. So the first thing you want to do is to tab until you hear the name of the image that you clicked on just a while ago.
Test logo.jpg button.
Alright, so the first tab that I tabbed, I arrived here. Then what I want you to do is to press your applications key.
Place in storyboard 1 of 2.
Then press enter.
Test logo.jpg button.
Alright, so what we just did is to place the image into the storyboard. Now what that does is to basically say, alright, we're adding this image to the project. Alright, so the image is now on the project. Now what we need to do is to make sure that the image is taking up most of the screen. So we're going to tab until we hear
View medium radio button not checked.
Alright, this is what we want because the next option is
View small radio button checked.
So it's currently checked on view small. So there are only 2 options, view small and view medium. It's obvious that view medium would be the largest one. So let me shift tab back to view medium.
View medium radio button not checked.
And I will check this with my space bar.
Space checked.
Alright, the next step is to actually set what I want the duration of my video to be. So that would be how long I would want the image to be on the screen. So let me tab to where I could find that option.
View small radio button not checked. Previous frame button. Play button. Next frame button. Seek slider 0 seconds. Full screen button. List. Test logo.jpg not selected. Duration 3 seconds. Button.
Here, where you see it say duration, that is where you'd actually want that. Now, here's how you do it. Whatever audio file you have, say for example, it was a file of one of my videos, right? And say it's a 15-minute long video. That is the duration that you'd want to put right here. So whatever duration your audio file is, that is the duration that you would put here. Okay, so it's up to you to find out the duration of your audio file. So the test audio file that I'm gonna be using today, it was actually just a couple seconds long. It was actually the song that I did for you guys for Christmas, and I have the duration recorded in a little notepad file. Let me find it.
Star untitled dash notepad. Text editor edit 54.61007.
Okay, so I'll keep that in mind. Then I will go back over to photos.
Photos. Photos window.
Then remember that I was on
Duration 3 seconds. Button focused.
Okay, another thing that I must mention to you, whatever duration that you're putting in, it must be in seconds. So remember that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if you have an audio file that is 15 minutes, you know you're going to multiply that by 60 in order to get the seconds before you input it here. Any duration that you input here should be in seconds, okay? Then once you have converted your audio file's duration into seconds and you have it in mind, then you'll click enter on here.
Pop-up dialog. How long should this appear?
Then you would type it in.
5.4.6.1.0.7.
Then you would press enter when you're finished.
Duration changed to 54.61 seconds. List. Duration 54 seconds, 610 milliseconds button.
Alright, and you realize that it automatically rounds it off. Now we want to get directly to adding your audio file. So you're going to tab all the way until you hear custom audio.
Add title card, duration, text button, motion, 3D, filters, resize, rotate, remove, more app bar, back button, OneDrive, video, testing, change undo button 1, background mute, custom audio button 4 of 5.
Alright, so you realize that it comes right after background music. Then you'd press enter on here.
Exited testing 123.
Alright, now what it does is brings you in a new window in which you'd have to tab to a button called add in order to add the audio file. So let's tab to that button.
Back button, OneDrive, previous, play button, next seek add audio file button 1 of 1.
Then press enter on it.
Open dialog file name.
Now it opens a regular open dialog. So you're going to navigate to whatever folder or wherever you have your audio file saved. And then you'd press enter on it to open it. So let me do that.
Item, tree view, D, desktop, YT7, items view list. The Quinn Merry Christmas.mp, space. Selected. Photos, narration file imported.
Then you tab all the way to done and press enter.
List, delete, play adjust done button.
As you see, there are different options there that you could have changed, but I don't want to change them. But at least you know they're there. If you want to go and change them, you can go ahead. So I'll just press done.
Changes applied.
Alright, so now we're basically finished. The only thing left to do is to export the video. But I want to make sure that the audio file is actually there. So let me go to the play button and hear what it says.
Back button, OneDrive, video, testing, change undo button, background, custom, finish video button, more app, show or add button, test logo.jpg button, view medium radio button, view small, previous frame, play button, space, pause.
And you can tap to the seek slider to see how far it's going.
Next frame button. Seek slider 9 seconds, 800 milliseconds of 54 seconds.
Yeah, Christmas is my favorite time of
10
year.
seconds.
Get your loved ones together and spread the cheer. It's not about the gifts under the tree. It's about spreading love around the city. Merry Christmas. We're closing out this year. Celebrate the season. And don't forget Jesus is the reason. Merry
10 seconds,
Christmas
966 milliseconds
to
of 54
all
seconds,
of you.
633
So
milliseconds,
turn up the music
11
all
seconds,
over some
200
friends as
milliseconds
we
of
step
54
into
seconds, 633
2022.
milliseconds, 11 seconds, 433 milliseconds of 54 seconds, 633 milliseconds, 11 seconds.
Alright, so the screen reader is a little slow with reporting the seek, but if I should shift tab and tab again.
Next frame, seek slider 54 seconds, 633 milliseconds of 54 seconds.
Alright, so that is the full span of it. Now we're finished with the video, so we're gonna tab all the way until we hear the finish video button.
Full screen list, duration 50, add title, duration, text, motion, 3D, filter, resize, rotate, remove, more app bar, back button, OneDrive button, video editor, testing, change video, undo button 1, background mute, custom audio, finish video button 5 of 5.
Then press enter.
Finish your video dialog. Video quality combo box high, 1080p, recommended collapsed.
And you can always use your arrow keys there in order to change the quality, but I usually leave it as it is. Then you'll tab to the export button.
More options grouping collapsed. Export button. Finish video button 5 of 5.
And press enter.
Save as dialog. file name : combo box collapse.
Then right here you choose where you want the file to be saved. It's like a regular save as dialog.
YT items file name : combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus and selected testing 123.mp4.
And remember earlier on when we gave the video a name, so that name will be inserted right here. Then you just press enter.
Photos window, exporting, dialog, cancel button.
And
6%,
depending on how long
20%,
your audio file was,
35%,
it might take a little while to
49%,
export.
64%, 78%, 93%. Finish video button, photos. Here's the video you created.
And you realize it plays it when it's finished. So let me close it.
Photos. Photo. Star untitled dash note.
And let me go back to that folder in which I just saved the video.
YT row 1 column 2. YT window. Items view list. Test logo.jpg row.
Now let's go over to where the video is just to prove to you that it's an MP4 file now.
Testing 123.mp4 row 1 column 2 of 3.
And there we go. So you guys can go ahead and use your images, turn them into videos. But that is it, guys. That is it for this video. I haven't actually figured out yet how to use multiple images and to decide what duration you want for each on the audio files, but when I figure out that, I'll definitely let you guys know. So I'll make an update to this video anytime I figure that out. But that is it for now. Much love. Remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and share it with others. And look out for a double upload this week. Hopefully I can get it out. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.